Okay, I am going to introduce you guys to your final project for color and design. So for this project, we are going to be creating an Instagram page, or you will be creating an Instagram page for you or your brand. So this can be something that you're already doing, or you can make it up, okay? And some of you have brands I know that you're working on, and some of you kind of have made up brands. So just be creative. I want you to make an Instagram page showing what you or your brand does, and feel free to keep this private, but it needs to be a new account, all right? I don't want you just adding on to something you're already doing. I want to see a new account. So what you're going to include, you're going to have at least 20 posts, a title for your brand, a logo for your brand, inspirational images, as well as images you took or created yourself. So I want you to caption your posts, and I want you to use keywords that we've been using from the class. So balance, symmetry, texture and surface quality, unity, variety, rhythm, movement, emphasis, focal point, contrast. You can talk about color as well, but I really want you to be using these words as you're captioning your Instagram posts. So the schedule for this project, November 26th is the introduction to the final. December 3rd, I want to do a check-in, so I want you to follow me, and I'm going to follow you back. I want to see how you're doing with this, and I'm going to give you feedback. This is mandatory, so don't forget about this part of the project. My handle is @MeredithOlinger, and December 10th, the project is due, so make sure you have everything done by then. All right, and I'm going to show you some examples. Okay, so this is the Jungalow, all right? We got a nice logo here. We've got a little, description. So you come up with a description for your company, whatever you want to do. You can keep it simple. It can be kind of funny, tongue-in-cheek. It's really up to you. And then they've got their images here, just kind of showing, what it is that they do. You can kind of get a sense of their aesthetic. All right, let's go back up to Emily Henderson here. So for her logo, she just has a picture of herself, which you're welcome to do if that makes more sense for your brand. But come up with something interesting to put here. All right, and then here's her description, which you'll need to do, and then post. So you'll see here she's got posts of herself. This is work that she's done. This is not something that she did, so she's got some inspirational stuff too. This is not a project of hers. This is a project from another interior designer. So she's putting in, her own work. This is her own work, this as well, and then inspirational stuff. So mix it up. You don't have to create all of your images. You can find things that are inspirational for your brand, and you can load those as well. All right, and this is my Instagram, my interior Instagram, and I really just started it, so that's why I don't have a lot of followers, so don't judge me. But I wanted to show you guys this because I wanted to do, let's see, so I've got, this is kind of products that I've made, so that would be interesting to put on your Instagram if you actually have products or examples of the type of products that you would be selling. You can put them on there. Books like that I'm reading. So these were some interior design books that I was looking at. A rug that I bought. Some wallpaper patterns that I did. Another book I'm reading. And of course a picture of my dog. Some work that I did. Some interior design work. So another rug. This is a mock-up that I did. And this is some inspirational stuff going through some old magazines. I went to an interior design show, and this was a picture from there. So keep it kind of interesting, use different stuff. Don't make it all the same type. And I made this post actually for you guys because I wanted to show you what I mean by the captions, okay? So I posted, because my bed doesn't have a headboard, my bedroom has been lacking a focal point. So today I added this gallery wall over the bed. I worked with a lot of black and white to give it unity, but mixed in some pinks and purple to give it a little variety. Chi-Chi seems to approve. Okay, so I put this in here because this is what I mean when I'm talking about using the terms that we've used in class. So I'm talking about a focal point, talking about unity and variety, but still keeping it light. Talking about my dog, obviously. So you don't have to use every single keyword in every single post, but this is just an example of how you can take what you've learned in this class and apply it to what you're doing on social media. So let me go back. So that is the project. Again, this does not have to be a public account, okay? You don't have to show anyone ever this account. You just got to show me. So go ahead and get started. If you have questions, email me, and I can't wait to see your work. Okay, bye.